In a world where warfare is constantly evolving, today's battlefield looks nothing like it did a decade ago. From AI-powered drones to next-gen exoskeletons and invisible cloaking tech, military innovation is pushing the limits of what's possible. These aren't just concepts. They're real, and they're redefining the future of defense. Buckle up, and let's dive into the most advanced military technologies that have reached a whole new level. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Rheinmetall ROSY, Rapid Obscuring System, is a 40mm modular smoke launcher designed to protect both military and civilian vehicles from surprise attacks. It generates a multispectral smoke screen in under a second, obscuring line of sight and providing sustained protection even for moving vehicles. It offers 360-degree defense against visual and infrared threats, including laser-guided threats, enhancing survivability for both military and civilian platforms. ROSY is also a modular system, adaptable to various platforms, and can be deployed on the move or from static positions. Galvian Warfighter Lab. The Galvian Warfighter Lab is a state-of-the-art, purpose-built facility designed to support data-driven design and engineering decisions for advanced warfighter systems. It leverages virtual reality and real-time testing to assess warfighter performance, enabling faster development of integrated, mission-ready technologies. The lab focuses on understanding how various technologies interact with the human system in complex battlespace scenarios to enhance situational awareness, survivability, and lethality. The lab creates an immersive environment by blending real and virtual elements, including 3D surround sound and hyper-realistic battlefield audio and visual simulations. Malloy Aeronautics T-400. The T-400 is an autonomous heavy-lift cargo drone production aircraft, capable of delivering food, water, goods, medical supplies, clothing, parts, equipment, fuel, weapons, ammunition, and almost anything that troops would need on the battlefield. The T-400 has sense and avoid and auto-land systems. The aircraft has a cruise speed of 78 miles per hour and has a maximum payload of 397 pounds. The range of the drone with a full payload is 12 miles. With no payload, the range of the drone is 43+ miles. The aircraft has 4 sets of stacked propellers, for a total of 8 propellers. The company foresees their drones being used for logistical and resupply for private, commercial for rural and urban areas, and for a variety of military applications. Vapor. The Vapor all-electric helicopter, specifically the Vapor 55MX, is a versatile, modular, and rugged unmanned aircraft system designed for defense, commercial, and industrial applications. It is known for its increased endurance, payload capacity, and ability to integrate various sensors and a drop mechanism. The Vapor 55MX is designed for heavier payloads and longer distances. Full autonomy with dynamic mission retasking and advanced autopilot systems for unmanned operation. Its modular architecture allows for quick and easy integration of various payloads, including sensors and a drop mechanism, enabling multi-mission capabilities. The system is controlled by a touchscreen-compatible ground control system and can be monitored with a handheld remote video terminal. The Inca's Hudson Recon APC is a tactical armored vehicle designed for law enforcement and border patrol, offering both protection and versatility. It is based on the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 platform and can be easily transformed into an armored personnel carrier. The Hudson Recon delivers efficient performance and agility, enabling quick escapes when required. Engineers have meticulously designed the Hudson Recon, prioritizing build quality, off-road mobility, passenger comfort, and ease of operation, while keeping the interior stable when converted into a command and control center. Teledyne FLIR Thermosight HISS HD. The Teledyne FLIR Thermosight HISS HD is a clip-on thermal weapon sight designed for snipers and sharpshooters, allowing them to detect, identify, and engage targets at long ranges, exceeding 1.37 miles. It mounts in front of an existing day scope on an MIL STD 1913 rail and offers high-definition thermal imaging. Enables shooters to confirm shot impact and adjust follow-up fire quickly. The sight utilizes a high-resolution mid-wave IR detector and long-range optics, paired with a high-definition display, to provide crisp and detailed thermal imagery. Teledyne FLIR is a company known for its expertise in thermal imaging technology. The site works equally well in daylight, darkness, smoke, or obscured environments. Mawashi Uprise. The Mawashi Uprise tactical exoskeleton is a non-powered, wearable device designed to assist soldiers in carrying heavy loads by transferring the weight to the ground through a load-bearing structure. It's a passive exoskeleton, meaning it doesn't require external power or batteries. The system redirects weight from the soldier's shoulders and upper body down through the spine, hips, legs, and a titanium plate under the foot. Load carriage is responsible for various injuries, such as lower back pain, metatarsalgia, bone fractures, knee pain, thoracic outlet syndrome, and severe blisters. The design allows for a full range of motion, meaning soldiers can move freely and naturally while wearing it. It's designed for use with heavy loads, such as rucksacks and plate carrier rigs, and can even integrate with body armor and other tactical gear. RCV EMAV. The Expeditionary Modular Autonomous Vehicle, EMAV, is a highly mobile, unmanned platform designed for reconnaissance and other combat support roles, with a modular design that allows for various payloads and autonomous capabilities. The EMAV, initially developed for the U.S. Marine Corps, is a tracked, diesel-electric hybrid vehicle known for its speed, maneuverability, and ability to carry significant payloads. Fulfills the role of scout or assault wingman ahead of manned forces, helping protect lives and reduce enemy exposure. The EMAV demonstrates a pioneering unmanned combat platform that blends high mobility, modularity, and autonomous capabilities. EMAV is shaping the future of robotic ground combat by freeing up troops, enhancing ISR reach, and enabling new tactical formations. Talon Medium-Sized Tactical Robot. The Talon Medium-Sized Tactical Robot is a remotely operated, tracked robot designed for hazardous missions, particularly those involving explosives. It's known for its durability, flexibility, and reliability in military, law enforcement, and first responder applications. Talons are widely used for tasks like IED, reconnaissance, hazmat, security, and rescue operations. Provides excellent maneuverability in various terrains. Allows for configuration with various mission-specific packages and accessories. More than 3,000 units are deployed globally across 30-plus countries, used operationally in Iraq, Afghanistan, and during hazmat and disaster response, including post-9/11 recovery operations. Rheinmetall HX. The Rheinmetall HX is a family of high-mobility, military-grade trucks. These trucks are purpose-built for military applications and are known for their reliability, durability, and mobility, even in challenging terrains. The HX series serves as the backbone for various military logistics and support operations, including cargo transport, ammunition delivery, and even recovery operations. The HX series is not a modified civilian truck. It's engineered from the ground up for military use, with features like a low torsion ladder frame, robust suspension, and steel bumpers. The HX trucks are known for their excellent off-road capabilities, enabling them to navigate difficult terrain and maintain operational continuity in various conditions. They play a vital role in enabling troops and equipment to move effectively across the battlefield. M81. The M81 is a quadruped robotic platform capable of carrying and firing weapons and transporting ammunition, as well as patrolling, target designation, and civilian roles like medical delivery and rebel reconnaissance. The robot is also intended for roles like delivering medication, surveying its surroundings, and navigating rubble in emergency situations. The robot dog is covered in black fabric, concealing its cameras and sensors. The RPG-26 launcher is mounted on the robot's back. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Got any thoughts, questions, or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.